Okay, so here is one of the many apps that you can use to earn some good money with Facebook. It's called Zazzle. So it lets you design any product on their site, which is a free service, and then sell it on Facebook. Now, think about the potential that is sitting here waiting to be used. If you have lots of friends, you have the potential to create a very comfortable income with the right product here. So there we go. See you on the next video and in the next post. Thanks for watching, and please do let me know what you want me to post on. It would really help me to serve you better. Bye for now.